Hi guys, my name is Upasana and this video is all about what is December English Challenge and how we can make the best use of it. So every Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday I come live on my YouTube channel and I teach you something new. And the best part is after every live session I give you an assignment that is related to whatever I have taught you in my live session. And you need to submit that assignment by recording your audio or your video on WhatsApp. Every Friday and Saturday I arrange Zoom classes. So on Fridays I arrange Zoom classes for the people who have submitted their assignment on time, and on Saturdays I arrange Zoom classes for the people who have joined my membership level. Now let me explain how it is going to be beneficial for you. So when we start learning English, we understand there are 4 aspects that plays a very important role. Reading, writing, listening, and the most important part is speaking. So a lot of time when we are learning English, we don't have a speaking partner to practice our English with. And a lot of us, we don't even have someone who can correct our mistake when we are speaking English. So this is the best part, guys. When you will be submitting your assignments on WhatsApp, I will be there for you. I will be correcting your mistakes and I will be giving you feedback after every assignment you will submit. So now it's been 1 week of December English Challenge and the response is really amazing. So now after 1 week of December English Challenge, I have realized one thing, that a lot of you are really willing to learn English seriously. A lot of you are submitting your assignments on time. So far I have got registration of more than 300 people. So it means that 300 people are really serious and I am getting 300 messages every day. And 300 people are submitting their assignments on time. So I would like to clear one thing here, that in this December English Challenge, no one is alone. There are 300 plus people who are learning English with us in December English Challenge. And I'm there for you. I'm going to correct your mistakes every time you submit your assignment. So it's all about your hard work and consistency. You guys must have read somewhere that you can learn English in 30 days or in 15 days. But let me clear, if you are really hardworking, if you are consistent, then you will see some improvement. So I'm not saying that after this December English Challenge, after 30 days, you guys are going to be very fluent in English. But yes, I make sure one thing here, that after this December English Challenge, you guys are going to see a lot of improvement in yourself. And the most important thing here, you guys will feel confident. Okay, because a lot of time when we don't speak in English and when we are just doing the practice of reading, writing, and we are not speaking in front of someone or we are not speaking anywhere, that time we really get nervous when it comes to speak. But after this December English Challenge, where you need to submit your assignments by recording your audios and your videos, you guys are going to feel confident. So I have one request here, that I am the only person who is handling the registration part. You are checking your assignments and arranging the Zoom classes and the live session. So a lot of time it might not be possible for me to respond you very quickly. So have some patience. I will check your assignments. Sometimes I might get late to reply you guys, but I will definitely be reading or listening to your assignments that you are going to submit. So as I have already told you that more than 300 people have already registered and every day I'm getting 300 plus messages. So I would request you guys not to send me any personal messages like, ma'am, how are you, have you eaten food or not. So I would not be able to reply to these messages and I will be replying only audio messages. So make sure you guys submit your assignments on time and you don't send me any unnecessary messages. If you guys are already part of December English Challenge, if you have already registered, you are submitting your assignments, so please share your experience about 1 week in the comment section below. So that's all about this video today. I hope you liked it, and if you haven't registered yet, then go and register today and submit your assignment. And let me once again tell you here that you are not alone this time. 300 plus people are learning with you and I am there with you to correct your mistakes and to be the part of your English journey. Happy learning.